Another fantastic new model Range Rover Sport. Again, the right specification. So this car's Santorini black. It's got a beautiful ebony and cloud interior, which I love. 22-inch satin grey wheels, sliding panoramic sunroof, electric tow bar, privacy glass, black exterior pack. Car's covered 1,000 miles. It's got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist, and most importantly, it's priced really well. We found that the black cars that we've had, we had 4 black Sports last week, have all sold. This car, first black one that's just came in, around about this price range. It's a Dynamic SE. So let me just show you. So it's got black styling, so we've got badging, grille, inserts, fully de-chromed and blacked on the front. You've got this beautiful new slick front end. They've made it a lot more smoother and rounded at the front. You've then got, as we move round, the wheels. So a lot of the wheels we've had have all been black. So these wheels, they've opted for the satin grey, new generation wheels, 22-inch wheels, lovely. Breaks the car up actually, and then you've got them red calipers there. Mud flaps, little mud flaps at the bottom. You've then got privacy glass, you've got your deployable door handles, big rear spoiler. It looks really well. When the car's black, it's all black from the rear. You can see them beautiful sweeping LED lights. If I just do that again, look at these lights at the back. They look superb. Big rear diffuser. They've brought the number plate that little bit lower down just to give it that bit more of a beefier look. And the rear diffuser is really big. You know, it's got 2 sections. It's got this bit and then this big underneath section as well. Now, it's electric tailgate. Just going to show you some other key features. So on the new generation Range Rover, before you couldn't just drop the seats down like that by the press of a button. On this model you can. And then this car has the electric deployable tow bar. Very expensive option. If you were trying to add that afterwards, it would cost so much more than what it is if you're getting it brand new like this. And it just tucks away lovely. It's completely hidden. Just press that again. So you wouldn't even know that you had it. And I think it makes a big difference. On an expensive car like this, if you're going to put a tow bar on, if you can do it like that where it's just completely hidden, I think it makes a big difference. Look at this interior. So I mentioned it at the start. This is called Ebony and Cloud. And I really like it because it shows off all the new seats. So these new seats, 20-way electric heated seats, are beautiful, very comfort and luxurious. You've got the Ebony and Cloud steering wheel, which is 2-tone. New generation Sport, you've got the new memory seat, which is built into the door cards, your Meridian speaker system. Oh, I don't know who's been sat in here. Jesus Christ. A little midget, I think. Right, I'm just going to start it up.
He's been cleared of 7 counts, and the jury...
He must have been deaf as well, I think. Right, so we've got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, new digital cockpit. So you can see it comes out, this new design comes out here. It's a little bit 3D. There's your heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. There you're actually options that you get free of charge and the great features. 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen. You've got this larger section which is raised just to give it a different feel when you're sat and you feel a lot more sporty. Wireless Apple CarPlay, cabin lighting, multimedia. If I go into the camera system, just show you this. Fantastic camera system, and with the car having the tow bar, you've got tone assist as well. And it's all 3D, it's really usable. Big extra, tilt and sliding sunroof. A lot of the Sports we've had, they've all got glass roofs as standard, but they haven't paid for the optional extra sliding roof. And I do think it's a big feature. I always like a sliding roof on a car. Space-wise, same space as the old model in the front, but there's actually more space in the back, which I do think makes it a little bit more. I want to show you actually. I'll jump in and just give you an idea of the leg room. So in the back, you've got rear electric seats, Meridian speakers, rear heated seats, and you've got the Ebony and Cloud in the back, which is nice. So that this seat is in Cloud, the centre seat down the middle is in Ebony black, and then you've got Cloud there. Lots of leg room, and it's very nice in the back. You actually feel like you're in a really big car. That's the sense you get when you sat in the back, where the old model, I thought you felt a little bit more crammed, so it's lovely. So, there we have it, new model Sport, Santorini black, 22s, sliding roof, electric tow bar, black pack, mud flaps, 1,000 miles, price to sell. It's going live on our website. If you want to call me direct, my number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching once again.